Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jim Fang channel. Today we'll be making our very own Yogurscool yogurt drink concentrate and also white peach flavor syrup. Okay, so before we begin, we need to get some diced peach fruit. Then press them using the presser. Add some ice to the glass. We'll add our Yogurscool concentrated yogurt drink. I usually measure with cocktail jigger, so one part is about 1.5 ounces. Next step, we will add our Spala white peach flavored syrup. Also 1 part of syrup. Next, we will just add some soda water to the glass. And lastly, we're almost ready. We just need to garnish it with a slice of white peach. And voila, our yogurt peachy beverage.